Oh, I'm back, rejuvenated. Does my skin look better? So update, the water's been out for like 2 days. So yesterday I had to like boil water in my huge pot and like mix it with cold water because we only have access to cold water right now. I know it sounds super like millennial problems, like super spoiled, but now I'm like reminded again how grateful we should be for hot water, electricity, all that stuff. So it's been a little bit of a setback just because like it's hard to wash dishes when it's cold water and like I had some greasy pan stuff. So it's a mess. The kitchen's a little bit of a mess, not gonna lie. But it was actually kind of fun to like boil water in a pot and like, I don't know, if it made me feel like I was camping, so it was kind of fun. So I don't know how I'll feel after working out, if I want to go through that whole like hour-long process of showering. If not, I might go hit up Jjimjilbang in LA. That is one of the most like, that is one of the reasons why I love living in LA, in K-Town specifically, because like grocery stores, there's like 10 different Jjimjilbangs in LA. K-Town. I love it. The kimchi I got from the Hannam supermarket like 2 days ago, I'm letting it ferment because it wasn't ready to eat yet. And it's so funny, you can see like the air bubble sometimes going up. And I'm like, oh, there it goes, there it goes. And guys, please, if you are enjoying my videos, if you are enjoying our production, please help us out and subscribe. If you didn't enjoy the videos, then maybe leave a comment on what we could do to, you know, catch your attention better, make it more interesting. We in the gym now. My usual routine of cardio. At least this works. Okay, ready to go to the spa because I decided I am not down to boil another pot of water and wash my hair and all that stuff. Nope. So gonna go do some self-care at the Korean. I'm gonna go check out Olympic Spa today. I haven't been there yet. Oh, I'm back, rejuvenated. Does my skin look better? Okay, now it's dinner time, so I'm gonna prepare a quick, easy dinner. I'm going to start with using 2 tablespoons, roughly. Just cover the whole pan with oil. Find my sesame oil and use around 1 tablespoon. Once it starts getting warm, then add in, well, I'm using shallots, but because I need to use this up, but instead of shallots, use onions. I love onions, so just I'm gonna put it all in there. I'm using around 1/4 of an onion. Then around 1 tablespoon of garlic. That is minced. Green onions, just stir fry that in. And once the onions start to be translucent, I'm gonna put in 2 tablespoons of red chili pepper powder. Then I'm gonna put in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Mix that all in. You don't want it to burn, so change it to low heat now. So it's on low heat now. I'm gonna add in around 1/2 a tablespoon of sugar. And if you don't have this, and don't worry about it, I'm gonna add this in so that it has a little bit more flavor, more depth to it. It's basically salted shrimp, around 1 teaspoon. Then add shrimp. I have around like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then just stir fry it on low heat. It's gonna get cooked eventually when we put in the water and boil it. Oh man, I just realized the lighting sucked until now. Let there be light. I have around 2 cups of water here, which is the water that after I rinse the rice, after like maybe the 4th wash, I collected the water that I washed it with, and it basically acts as a thickening for soups too, instead of just basic water. Then I'm gonna switch the soup back to medium heat and then put in my veggies. So I'm using baby squash. Came in like a really cute package too. Okay, then I'm using the tofu I got and let that simmer for gonna add a little bit of salt, just a little bit. Then at the end, I will add eggs. I'm also going to add like a teaspoon, just a little bit of soy sauce, which is for soup use only. Right, so our soup is done. I'm gonna just turn it off for now until we're ready to serve, and then reheat it, and then add the eggs in at the end. So, as a side dish, main dish, we need some protein, so I am going to use the pork meat that I got from the market. Little marinade I already made, which has 1 tablespoon of garlic, half a teaspoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and sesame seeds, and then I used the plum extract, around half a tablespoon, but you can use half a tablespoon of sugar instead if you do not have that syrup, and then 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Then I'm gonna stir fry some julienne squash, which I used some of it for the soondubu jjigae, the tofu stew, and then also the julienne carrots from my bibimbap video. Then I'm gonna salt it. Meanwhile, I'm going to pour myself some sparkling water because I am parched. Isn't that just calming? Man, these peppers are actually super spicy, and I didn't even taste them. I can tell because it went through my nose and I almost choked on it. Okay, I've sweated them for around like 5 minutes. I'm going to put it in a separate bowl for now, and I'm going to put that pork meat I had marinated. Okay, so it's about done. So at this point, I'm going to add in the stir-fried veggie mix. Oh, I love that color, it's beautiful. And then I realized I bought a lot of these perla leaves from the market, and I love to eat them with meat. So I'm going to add it to this beautiful meat dish. And this is how I like to do it, the lazy way. And I don't know, if you haven't had perla leaf, I don't know how best to describe it, but I will try. It basically adds like an herb-like component to your dish, but I wouldn't even describe it as an herb. And it's kind of like minty, but it's not as strong as a mint. It really goes really well with meats. And stir fry. I'm gonna do another recipe soon with it as well, but it definitely adds some scent to your dish. I don't want it to lose all of its texture with the perla leaves. Like I still want it a little, like I don't want it too wilted, so I'm gonna take it off the heat now and just mix it. I got this dish from Daiso for $4. Isn't it pretty? I'm gonna use it to plate my meat dish. My mom said that when you're plating, your food should be covering only 1/3 of your plate, and then like make it tower. So I'm gonna transfer some of that tofu soup I made, the soondubu jjigae, into this little individualized pot. Guys, I'm so excited! I just turned on Finding Nemo and I'm just living life today, guys. As you can see, it's like jiggling like that. That's when you want to crack this baby. Eggs. Dinner is done! Yay! Homemade dinner. So, I made Mike a little bit kind of like a bibimbap again because we had so many ingredients left over. The carrots and mushrooms, and then the chopped romaine lettuce and the kimchi that I bought. And then these are the pickled garlic that I did. And he can have this protein with it, which I showed you guys how to make this. I really like how that came out. It's not super salty, but you can taste the soy sauce and you can taste the plum extract, but it's just like a mild undertone, you know? And then you can either wrap the meat like this with perilla leaf. I will show you guys. Take some meat and then some rice. Okay, Then you also have a little sam, a wrap. Soondubu is just so, it's just like there. You can rely on it. It's like it'll always be your shoulder that you can lean on. Guys, thank you so much. I hope you're enjoying my SooChef Vlogmas series. Please help me out and share it with your friends or family. Watch it for your holiday parties. Just don't make fun of me, please. And don't watch it when I'm there. If you guys like the videos, please like, subscribe to my channel, and you can see more in the future, and I hope to see more of you guys. I can't wait. Thank you so much. We'll see you tomorrow. Good night. Oh my god, do we have hot water again? We have hot water again! Oh my gosh. Oh, praise the food gods. Finally! Oh my gosh. Okay. Yay! Made my night. Guys, be grateful for hot water. Yes.